Hello everyone, my name is Rosette Zerimana. I'm the founder of Tandika Uganda Academy that trains women, girls and youth how to make bags, shoes, belts and other hands-on skills. Today I want to talk about sandals, making sandals with rings and rivets. This is a simple design sandal that people like, and it doesn't need machines, doesn't need anything complicated. So let's go. You have your rings here. Some people they use killings, using those killings that people use. Then you have these, we call them D rings, these ones, and then you have these big ones. So these ones come in different design, different colors. There's silver and gold. So all you need to do is you need is either webbing or leather, like this. You make your leather, you can cut your straps, or can use your webbing to just make that design. So right now I have something like this. I want to show you how did we come up to this using the rivets and this ring. You need your leather, which is this. I have my two straps. Then I'll need something to put here in front, something like this to hold here. So I need something like this here. So in this case I've used this is a strong strap I've got from leather. Just cut a small one like this leather here. You just remove a small piece. So you need your leather, then you come up with this, something like this, then you come out with something like this. So once you have this, you have to put now the rivets, which are these ones. They have two parts. They have the top and the bottom one. So this is the top one and this is the bottom. So this is the bottom one. It goes under like this. So it's this one here. Then this one here is this. It's just covers this one like this. You just cover like this one. Then you have to use your hammer to punch it. So in this case I have this one. Then I have this. So all you need is your punch. Depends on the size of the hole you want. So I have this punch. You have your punch. You can use a smaller one. This one, they come in different sizes. So you need a hammer, which is this. To make you leave a smaller allowance behind this one where you can. Don't make it too loose and don't make it too tight. So just come, you make a hole here, you punch with the hammer like here. When you after punching like this, it will make a hole, and that hole is what we have here. So we have made already this, and so we are going to bring this one here, and assume we've made our hole, and now we shall need these rivets. Others call them ribits in Uganda. You call them ribits, rivets, and so you come and put this one down. This one is going to face down like this. Then this one, the other top one will come here up. Then you have to punch with your hammer. So after punching, it will be firm like this one here. It can't come out. So I'll need the one to put here. So your shoe now is like this. So in case you're doing something like this one here, like a pushing, your straps will be done. But if you want to make something like a sandal design, we shall add a small piece like this one to come in front. So I'll come and do something like this. Come and do something like this. Then it comes out. So when I've tied like this one, then the sandal will be this. We have here our insole and the lining and the inner sole. So meaning you just it will be like this. In our next video, I'll show you how to do this, how to come up with this insole and middle sole. Sorry, the carpet or the lining. So your sandal will be like this one here. So for some people, they don't want the straps to be around. Like some people complain, they are laugh, they make us feel uncomfortable. So you need a pipe, which is like this one. You call them pipes or gourds or hose pipe. This one, they come in different designs, in different sizes. So this is a medium one. So you need this. When you have this one, you put it inside here and your straps will be ready. You only need now is to make a hole here, you cut here and you put them inside and you should be done. Thanks for watching. I'm Rosette Twizere from Tandika Uganda Academy.